watched that building just in smoke, I had no understanding. I really had no understanding of life. I was just about to embark on a life that I never thought I would ever be on. But when the unexpected starts to be unexpected, what do? How do you handle adversity? Well, Martin Luther King quote says, you don't judge an individual in time of comfort and convenience. You judge an individual when he stands in times of challenges and controversy. Even now, during this season, everybody always come back together as one. Thankful for having the ability to stay where? In this wonderful nation that we stand in.
For the land.
Perseverance and service. A Greenville native, they began their law enforcement career with the Winterville Police Department. In 2009, they joined the PCC Police Department. Over the next several years, their leadership and dedication became clear. They were promoted to sergeant in 2013 and captain in 2016. Before being sworn in as Chief of Police on July 31st, 2018. During their time here at PCC, the recipient has embraced community policing, emphasizing visibility and relationship building with students, faculty, staff, and campus visitors. They have played an instrumental role in securing the campus during high-profile events, including annual commencement ceremonies and a visit by former presidential candidate Hillary Clinton in 2016. The recipient's dedication to community connection and vigilant leadership embodies the spirit of a first responder. On this solemn day, we are privileged to recognize Chief Tyrone Turnage for his extraordinary service and steadfast protection of Pitt Community College.
We leave here carrying forward the legacy of unity, courage, and hope. May we never forget.